Hi, who am I? I am Bomi Solomon, music producer, mix engineer. And what is my story? Welcome to the next module. Now that we already talked about, creating a good kick and bass, the next thing we want to talk about is creating a good vocal, a good relationship between your lead vocal and the background vocal. I know a lot of our producers and artists and engineers, have big issue with this, and me included when it started.
Oh, 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 we are like, oh, 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 yeah, it feels like, oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. We just wanna live for the thrill.
All right, we are number 5. The number 5 essential mixing skills for a professional mix engineer. Balancing. Balancing is like the All right, this is video number 2, where I go into the first 4 of the steps, and I have my note right here. All right, Let's go to number 5. Front to back panning. Let me try to draw something. So front to back panning is, it's like the 3D of your mix. This top to bottom is a representation of your frequency, which is your EQ / frequency. Then this is a representation of your pan. So this is a panning left and right. And the third plane is your front to back panning. So we can call this F and B of, front or rear panning. So that's very important in your mix. And that's one of the 5th mindset. When you mix, you have to constantly think